One, two, three. Cheers. Hi, I'm Neha Maheshwari.
I am Abhishek Lamba.
Welcome to our little home.
What does home mean to you?
To me, home is a place that grounds me. It is both my comfort zone and my creative space. And ever since we got married, this is actually the first home we moved into and brought this space together with all the love, vision, creativity, time, effort. I feel all of that being put together makes the space a home. And to me, it's all the more valuable because I work from home. So to me, home is the core of my everyday existence, and doing it together with my partner, it just makes it all the more homely. So I think home is a place where I don't have to pretend. I can be myself and grow in life together.
When you think of home, what's the first memory that comes to you?
The day we moved in, there were no curtains, no furniture, empty rooms, and just bare windows. But there was just so much excitement. Over the time, we just brought everything together. Watching this space just turn into our home is something we'll cherish forever.
Is there a corner of your home that feels most you?
This little corner is the favorite spot in my house. Every morning, sunlight hits this exact spot and lights up the whole room in this warm yellow light. It just sets the tone for the day. Like I get up every morning, step in there, it's so calm, comforting, just so me with the right aesthetic, right amount of freshness and the best kind of start anyone could have asked for the day.
What's one thing about your home you hope never changes?
I think it definitely has to be the curtains, the way the light flows through this home, and I think my work desk, because that is where I spend most part of my day. But I think the softness of how the sun moves, how the curtains reflect it, and how it all just brightens up my day, that is something I think I will never think of changing about this house.
What connects this home to your roots?
We both come from different cities, but we share a common love towards homes with large open spaces and sufficient sunlight. So once we shifted to Gurgaon and saw this place, it instantly connected us with our roots from Chandigarh and Rajasthan, where finding large open spaces in houses is pretty common. It's just the best we could have asked for. It's a perfect home away from home.
How does urban space pieces fit into the story of your home today?
I had urban space wishlisted way before I got married. So when we got married, it was an easy decision. I knew I wanted there block printed curtains and sheets, throws, whatever I could have possibly imagined about putting together in a home, they already had it. So it was almost, you could say, a very easy decision, something that was already curated. Because I believe urban space products, they are curated so perfectly. They are the right amount of modern, traditional, and something that just goes aesthetically with everything you can think of. And that's precisely how urban space fits into my story of home, because I feel I didn't have to put a single thought behind how things will come together. They just automatically did for me.